Hari Om. Today we shall discuss the origin of Dinacharya, the very foundation of optimal health, wellness and daily living, Ayurveda itself. The word Ayuh means life. Veda is knowledge, science. Thus Ayurveda is the science of life, connected to Atharva Veda, which is not limited to just list of medicines and formula. It is actual knowledge received by our eminent sages, Maharishis, through direct experiences and intense austerity, tapas. We are reaping the benefits of their tapas. But where did the knowledge come from? It is believed that it was Brahma Dev who first remembered it from his memory, the creator. But this implies that the knowledge existed even before him because he had remembered. It was Brahma Dev who then passed it on to one of his sons, Daksha Prajapati. And Daksha Prajapati then passed it on to Ashwini Kumaras, who also find a mention in Rig Veda having performed complicated surgeries and transplantations. It was Ashwini Kumaras who then passed it on to Indra Dev. And it was Indra Dev in Devalok who then taught this to the Maharishis on earth, such as Maharishi Bharadvaja, Agastya Muni, Atreya, Agnivesha, Kashyapa, Nagarjuna, and many others, including Maharishi Patanjali. This is how the knowledge was transferred from Devalok to earth. But what was the need to bring this knowledge to earth? It is believed that it was at the end of Satya Yuga, the first stage, that the diseases had begun to manifest themselves and were seen as an impediment to the very purpose of life, to living life, and a stumbling block to Purusharthas, the four pillars of life: Dharma, to live an ethical life; Artha, to build wealth, prosperity; Kama, to enjoy the aesthetic beauty, fulfill desires; and moksha, the ultimate goal, self-realization. So the diseases were seen as a stumbling block to longevity and to living a fulfilled life. It is out of compassion towards us that the Maharishis gathered in the auspicious valley of Himalayas and collectively decided that it would be Maharishi Bharadvaja who would approach Indra Dev to receive this knowledge of Ayurveda. It is also said that once a disciple receives wisdom from his guru, preceptor, and if he does not pass it down to his disciples, he remains a debtor to his guru and also a great sinner. So you see, this is the spirit of our Guru Shishya Parampara, an unbroken and uninterrupted transmission of knowledge from one generation to another out of care, out of compassion. We shall continue to discuss the lineage on Ayurveda in the next episode. I would also like to thank Dr. Bala, who is guiding me in the series of Dinacharya. I'll see you next week. Dhanyavadaha.